What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to delete YouTube search history. So to do that, let's head over to our YouTube application first. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account and then head over to your profile by tapping a profile icon on the lower right corner and then head over to the Google account. Now here search for YouTube history. Now head over there. Once you're there, you'll see your YouTube history. Now go to Manage History. Now here you'll find the Delete drop-down box. So tap on Delete drop-down and select the time range that you'd want to delete your YouTube search history of. Suppose I'm selecting Delete today. And as you can see, that is deleted. So yeah, this is how easy it is to delete YouTube search history. Hope this video helped you out and we will see you in the next video.